Yeah, maybe smile. Woo! Ciao poveri! Grazie Beppe.
I don't know.
A bit bigger is it?
No, that was just like a follow-up.
Oh, yeah. Tuna, swordfish, whatever. There are three common. One is Monterosso, alone, Vernazza with the corniglia, Riomaggiore with Manalo. If you look well the village, it's all to the right. Why it's all to the right? Right. For the grapes, for the vineyards. Have a put to the grapes. Here, the wine is the second economy. But there are one big problem, the salt. Here the water is very salt. So for to make the Cinque Terre white wine, that it's dry, mineral and salt, it's obligatory to use three kinds of grapes. One born very close to the sea, and the name is Bosco.
No, che puro.
This tower and this tower. It's a two tower, it's a watch tower. Because here the problem is the invasion from the sea. The invasion of one popular, the name is Saraceni, that is very famous in Italy. If you speak with a true habitant over here, sometimes you see the girl, very white, dark hair, very close. Green eyes, blue eyes. The best hotel of Cinque Terre.
Oh, really?
But it's only for us. You know the name? Cinque Hotel.
Oh my god! I thought it looked a little like a cemetery, but I wasn't sure.
If you want, I give you mine, yeah? It's from Antioquia. The big house that you see over half pink and half gray, it's the, what's this? Try. Please try.
What's this? The oldest school. Oh, school. I knew it. I didn't know.
It's the school of the village. Over there.
Wow.
the pink and gray. It's a high school because it's very high. Only
How many students are there?
I go to this school.
Yeah, you did.
Every people that is born here come inside this little bay for to learn to swim.
Yeah, that place looks posh. All the houses are low here. Yeah, they are.
Oh, there goes this car.
It's a restaurant. Bless you.
Okay. I don't care.